Have you ever spent more time searching for the perfect background music than actually editing your video? You scroll through endless royalty-free libraries, preview dozens of tracks, and somehow none of them fit the vibe you're looking for. Now imagine typing a simple description like, cinematic piano with emotional strings for a travel documentary. And seconds later, the music is generated specifically for your project. That's exactly what Beatoven AI is trying to do, and after checking out the platform, I can see why millions of creators are using it.
Have you ever clicked something and gone, wait, that's it? That's exactly what this tool does, and I'll walk you through it right now.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Beatoven AI, an AI-powered music and sound effects platform designed for creators who need original audio without spending hours digging through stock music libraries. From YouTube videos and podcasts to game development and short films, this tool aims to generate custom background music and even sound effects from simple text descriptions. So let's jump in and see what it actually offers. At its core, Beatoven AI is an AI music generator that creates original background music based on your prompts. According to the platform, more than 2 million creators have generated over 15 million tracks using the service. The idea is pretty simple. Instead of searching through thousands of existing tracks, you tell the AI what kind of music you need. Maybe it's calm ambient music for a podcast, dramatic orchestral music for a trailer, relaxing lo-fi beats for a study video, atmospheric music for a game scene. The AI then generates a unique track based on that description. What I like here is that the focus isn't on creating songs with vocals. It's primarily designed for background music that supports content rather than distracting from it. If you're a creator, you've probably experienced at least one of these problems. Finding music that matches the exact mood of your content. Spending hours searching through stock libraries, using a track that's good enough but not exactly right, or constantly worrying about licensing and usage rights. Beatoven AI tries to solve all of that by letting you create something tailored specifically to your project instead of settling for whatever happens to be available. And honestly, that's probably one of the biggest advantages of AI-generated music right now. You're not adapting your content to the music adapts to your content. One of the biggest features highlighted on the website is something called Maestro music. The concept is straightforward. You describe the background music you want, and Beatoven's AI model generates a soundtrack around that idea. The platform also mentions customization options, which is where things get interesting. Instead of accepting the first version the AI gives you, you can refine elements like genre, mood, tempo, instruments. This means you can keep tweaking the music until it feels closer to your creative vision. For video creators, that's a huge improvement over traditional stock music where you're limited to whatever tracks already exist. Now this was actually one of the most interesting sections I found. Beatoven AI doesn't stop at music. They also have Maestro sound effects. Based on the screenshots, you can simply describe a sound effect with text and generate it in seconds. For example, one of their examples describes unintelligible live announcements in an airport with the general airport chaos all around, and the AI generates that sound effect automatically. That's pretty impressive because finding very specific sound effects can sometimes be even harder than finding music. For game developers, filmmakers, animators, or content creators, this could save a lot of time when building atmosphere and immersion. Another thing worth mentioning is the export options. Beatoven AI allows downloads in both MP3 and WAV formats. So whether you need quick audio for social media or higher quality files for larger projects, you've got options. The platform also emphasizes licensing. Every download comes with a license intended for content creation use, helping creators use the generated audio in projects without the typical stock music headaches. That kind of clarity is important when you're publishing content regularly. Let's talk about pricing because this is something many people will want to know before trying the platform. Based on Beatoven AI's pricing page, there is a free trial option available. The trial includes limited generations for music and sound effects, so users can test the platform before committing. For paid plans, Creator Plan $10 per month. Unlimited generations 30 download minutes per month, advanced track editing, exclusive music license, Visionary Plan $20 per month, unlimited generations 60 download minutes per month, advanced track editing, exclusive music license. There's also a pay-as-you-go option where you can purchase download minutes separately if you only need music occasionally. I actually like that flexibility because not everyone needs a monthly subscription. So that's Beatoven AI, a platform that lets you generate original background music and sound effects simply by describing what you need. If you've tried it before, I'd love to hear what kind of projects you've used it for, so let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.